Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D, on creating a timeline task using our Cryon 6D Applications project management system. First, let's navigate to the Action section in the sidebar. From the list of features, select the Review drop-down and choose Timelines. This action opens the timeline page. To add a new task, click the Add Task button in the top right corner. Fill in the details step by step. First, select a review color from the drop-down. Next, select a parent review if applicable. Enter the review code following the ISO 19650 standard. Enter the review name in the respective field. Fill in the description box with relevant details. Select the start date from the calendar view. Similarly, select the end date. Assign the workflow by selecting the appropriate option. Set the priority for the task. Enter the estimate cost and actual cost in their respective fields. Select a previously created checklist by clicking the Path field. Finally, click the Create button to submit the task. The task is now created. Let's check the Timeline page to view all tasks. In the Timeline page, you can view tasks in a day-wise, month-wise, or year-wise view by selecting the respective options from the Mode icon drop-down. Use the Expand All and Collapse All buttons to manage the task view. Switch between Grid Chart and default views using the View icon drop-down. Use the search box to find specific tasks by entering relevant text. In the chart view, tasks are connected to show their sequence. Click on a task for more information. To add more details, click on Task Information and fill in fields like ID name, type, and offsets. Stay tuned for more guides on how to effectively use our project management system. Thank you for watching.